Surely you heard that some people are holding garlic near the pillow. But why are they doing this? First, let's look at the benefits of garlic. Firstly, it contains many vitamins C, PP, and B vitamins. Secondly, garlic contains potassium, phosphorus, calcium, sodium, and magnesium. Thirdly, it is rich in allicin, a substance that fights viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Now let's talk about the main thing. Putting garlic under your pillow will definitely make you have better sleep. This remedy has been used from ancient times. The antioxidant and antimicrobial properties of garlic keep the body fluids and organs healthy and infection-free. Garlic calms the nervous system, helps relieve stress, relaxes and helps to fall asleep. This is due to magnesium and potassium, which enter the human body. These substances stimulate the production of melatonin, a hormone that is necessary for a night of healthy and sound sleep. So, if you often suffer from insomnia, garlic under the pillow is your option. If you decide to take the advice of doctors and put garlic under a pillow or on a bedside table, no, the clove must be fresh. Only in this case will beneficial substances be released from it. Dry or heat-treated garlic will not do you any good. So, take care of your health. Please subscribe for more interesting health and beauty tips. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe.